Hey guys, so if you're watching this YouTube tutorial, then you're probably a Google Ads campaign manager or you've already landed on my Fiverr gig. So let's go. So in this video, I'll teach you how to avail Google Ads credit after you buy it from my gig. And yeah, let's go. So firstly, you'll be clicking on new account and click on create new account. So remember guys, this coupon is only valid for new accounts. You can create multiple accounts, like new accounts, from the same email ID. Over here I'm using this email ID. After you've come on this page, you just have to click on switch to expert mode. Now remember guys, whichever currency you have to put that, like say for example you have a coupon code of USD, say spend 50 USD and get 100 USD. So for that you have to make sure you select United States as your billing country, time zone, any time zone would do, and currency you'll have to make sure that you choose USD. And say for example you have a coupon code in pounds, then you have to select your country as United Kingdom, and you have to select your currency as pounds. Just a second. Yeah, so whichever currency you have, say if you have INR, then you have to select India and INR. Okay, so let's click on this. Now guys, as you can see, I've just created this new account and now I'm ready to apply my promo code. I'll go on settings and promotions. Now before entering the promo code, Google will prompt me to enter my billing address and my payment. So for that, say for example if you're living in United Kingdom, then you have to quickly Google fake United Kingdom address. So Google will show you probably an address for UK, and yeah, then you can just enter all this information, name and address of the UK over here with postcode, and you will have to enter your credit card. Now guys, the credit card can be of any country. It doesn't matter if you're living in Brazil, it doesn't matter if you're living in Japan. All you have to do is enter a valid credit card, which is a Visa or MasterCard verified. As soon as you're done entering all of this data, you can click on submit and your payments profile would be made. And then I'll just quickly show you what kind of a page would you land up in. Alright guys, once you've entered all your payment details, then all you have to do is go on settings and promotions. Now since you've already entered the payment details, it won't ask you again. Then in promotions you have to click on plus and enter your promo code which you'll get through the gig, and you have to click on submit. So what the promo code would say is, say get 100 USD credit for spending $50 on Google Ads, or it might also say get 100 pounds credit for spending 50 pounds on Google Ads. It depends on whichever currency coupon code you'll buy. And once you've spent, say right now in this account I've already spent $50, and you see that I can use it till June 28th, and yeah, date redeemed, like the date I entered this Google code was on April 29th, and I've already like spent $50 and it's just 5th May today. And yeah, and you can see that my account has already been credited with $100. So this is how you can do it guys. Remember, it's very easy. Just go on, click on the icon over here and click on new account and follow all the process which I've told you. And for more details you can always message me on Fiverr, and my Fiverr gig link would already be there in the description link below. Cheers guys.